Hi, welcome all of you. Welcome to NS Physics Academy. Today we will discuss about magnification of lens. Magnification of lens formula we are discussing now. For example, take a convex lens and it is the principal axis. This is called optic center P and it is also called as normal axis. When object placed here beyond the F2, so here is the F2 and here is the F1. When height of the object is OO dash, OO dash indicates the height of the object HO. So when rays travel parallel to the principal axis and it is passed through focal point, the rays parallel to the normal axis and it strikes on a lens, it is refracted and passed through focal point. And another one is it is passed from optic center. This is the incident rays. It is form a image on I dash. So this is the height of the image HI. The OO dash is a object height, I dash is a image height. The distance between the optic center to object. This is called object distance U. It is indicated by U. And the distance between the optic center to image, this is called the V. The object distance is U, the image distance is V, and it strikes on a lens. The point is PP dash. So in this, according to the figure, we have two similar triangles. Where is the similar triangles? OO dash P. Here is the OO dash P and PI dash. These both are two similar triangles. Triangle OO dash P, comma triangle I dash P. Both are similar triangles. What is the rule for that? Similar triangles. So we have a rule, we know already. The ratios of the opposite sides is equal to the ratio of the two bases. Here I dash, these are the opposite sides. I dash by OO dash is equal PI by PO. So I dash indicates the image height HI and OO dash is the object height, that is HO. Then PI means optic center to image, that is image distance V. Then PO is equal the distance between the optic center to object, that is U. So apply sign convention rules for this. I dash along the principal axis, I dash is downside, that's why I am taking minus. Then OO dash along the principal axis, it is upside, that's why I am taking plus. PI it is in the same direction, that's why I am taking plus. Then PO it is opposite to the incident ray. We are measuring from this direction, the incident ray is in this direction, that's why I am taking negative. So it is negative. So substitute these values in above equation. I dash minus HI by OO dash HO is equal PI is the V by minus U. Then minus gets cancelled. Then remaining part is M is equal HI by HO is equal V by U. It is the magnification formula for lens. Whatever lens we are taking, this is the magnification. In this formula, HI is the height of the image, HO is the height of the object, then V is the image distance, U is the object distance. For interesting more videos, we'll discuss after. Thank you.